How to fix buffering and improve streaming quality on Samsung Smart TV. So first of all, plug off your Samsung Smart TV and then plug it on back in. Then on the next step, simply go to Settings. Choose All Settings. Now, from here, choose Support. From here, go to Device Care. Now from here, you'll see the option of self-diagnosis. Select on it. Now from here, if you perform tests to ensure your TV is working properly, in order to do so, you can select each menu to test a function individually, or you can simply select on this option of Test All. For now, let's select Picture Test. Now, just choose on OK. Now, check the quality of the picture displayed. Now, you can choose on Yes option, No option, or Show Again option. Now, after you have done the picture test, just choose on Yes. Then select on Close. Now, just go back. Now, on the Support category, you'll see Software Update. Make sure that your TV's software version is updated to its latest version. So follow these easy steps in order to fix buffering and improve streaming quality on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.